These are the 5 facts you need to know about carry-on luggage. Brought to you by EasyVidWiki. Fact number 1. A good carry-on can save you money. Stripped-down service is the current trend of the airline industry. Low-cost carriers like Spirit Airlines, Ryanair, and WOW Air offer cheap tickets within the US and Europe. More airlines are charging fees for checked baggage, meaning that if you can pack light, you'll pay less. Fact number 2. It'll also save you time. The average American takes less than 2 weeks of vacation per year. With such little time, you don't want to spend your holiday waiting around at a baggage carousel. The right carry-on suitcase will allow you to take everything you need and avoid wasting precious minutes searching for your bags when you arrive. Visit the wiki. Get the most recent list of the best carry-on luggage you can get. Go to wiki.easyvid.com or click beneath this video to see it. Fact number 3. Sizes can be misleading. Different airlines have different carry-on size limits. European airlines require smaller bags for carry-on. If yours is too big, you'll have to check it, defeating the purpose. Many brands do not include the wheels in their measurements, so be careful. Make sure you know the correct size of your bag so you can be confident it will fit in the overhead bin. Fact number 4. Get the right design for your needs. Are you bringing a laptop, iPad, or other electronic devices? What about shoes? Is this a trip to a wedding where you'll need a suit? There are plenty of options for you. Read up on the various features available so you get the suitcase that fits your needs. Fact number 5. Durability and convenience are a must. Gone are the days where you had to wear out your shoulders hefting a bag around. Most carry-ons these days have wheels, and spinner models with 4 wheels are growing in popularity. You can also get hard-side luggage that will protect your belongings if you're a bit clumsy at the terminal. See the most recently updated list of the best carry-on luggage you can find. Go to EasyVidWiki or click beneath this video.